What is up, everybody? Roadrunner Tutorials back with another After Effects tutorial. Today we're going to be making your two-dimensional logo 3D. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our logo in the composition here. And you'll notice it's a little bit pixelated. That's because I have this set to quarter quality to speed up my render time. And this career dress logo here is for one of the clients I've been working on. If you would like to see some of the videos I've been doing for them, please check the link in the description. Next, we're going to go ahead and click the image and we're going to hit Cmd Shift and C to pre-compose this, and we're going to title it logo. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on it and do Cmd Shift C again, and we're going to type in logo 3D. We're going to double click this one so we have the logo composition here. We're going to go ahead and check the 3D box right here, click on it and hit the P button to bring up the position properties. Then we're going to right click and go to separate dimensions. Then we're going to alt click on the stopwatch under Z position, and we're just going to type in the word index and click away. Then what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this. Then I'm going to hit Cmd A to select them all and duplicate them again. Then I'm going to hit Cmd A again and duplicate them. And I'm going to keep doing this until I have, I don't know, I like to do about 80 or so. 72 works just fine. Then we're going to scroll all the way to the top, click on the first one and hit Command, Alt or Option and Y to bring up an adjustment layer. I'm going to go over to my effects. I'm going to type in curves, and I'll explain why we're doing this in a minute. We're going to bring this little bar down here. Just going to make the image a little bit darker. Then we're going to take the adjustment layer and we're going to drag it below the first logo. Then we're going to go back to our original composition. We're going to check the 3D box, and we're also going to check this little star right here, and that is the collapse transformations box. Then we should be all set if we hit the R to bring up rotation properties, and as soon as you rotate it, you'll notice it has some depth to it. And the reason that we did the curves was, you'll notice it kind of gives it this outer shadow here, except for on obviously the first layer. So we can animate this in a few ways. We can go to the beginning of our composition, move the X rotation a certain way, click the little stopwatch, and we can change the Y rotation in a specific way, and click the stopwatch. Then we can go ahead in our composition, I don't know, a few seconds here. Then we can change these properties and it will automatically create keyframes on our composition. This is what mine looks like once we've rendered it. This is just a super easy way to do it. Another way that you can also animate this, if I get rid of all of these keyframes, we're going to go ahead and reset our rotation properties. We're going to right click and go new camera, hit OK. We're going to hit the home button to go to the beginning of our composition. And with the camera layer selected, we can hit P on our keyboard. We can hit the little stopwatch next to position. We can go ahead a little bit further in our composition to about 4 seconds. And with the camera tool selected, if you hit C, you can move this around to get a better idea of what it will look like. This is what mine looks like once we've rendered it. And like I said before, mine is in quarter quality. You could put this to full. However, it will take your computer a much longer time to render. So I like to put it to quarter while I'm doing kind of the rough details of what I would like my animation to look like. And before we finish up today's tutorial, if you're enjoying this content, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks so much. Lastly, you'll be able to see the depth of it, and let's hypothetically say I would like it to be a little bit more extruded. I can go into this composition and I can continue to duplicate these layers. Now I have 154, and you'll notice now it is more extruded. And there you go, an easy way to make a two-dimensional logo 3D in After Effects. Thank you so much everyone for joining me for another After Effects tutorial. I hope to see you in the next video. Take it easy.